Hello guys, we got my new box. This is my fake Special Alert Classic. Let's open it. Yes, I told you. And that real, and this is not even a special, this not, it's alert, that one's fire. Down for fire too, pull for fire like this. And just reset it. Yep. You go show a LED. Just close it. I got the review on this. Let's see what this alarm sounds like. Let's see what it sounds like when I pull it. Let's reset. Let's see that can activate. Let's see if this can activate when I pull it. Bye-bye, guys. I'll see you next time.